Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Plum Savings and Investment app, my UK automated finance experience. Plum Savings and Investment app is designed to help users in the UK automate their savings and investments. It targets individuals looking for easy ways to save money and potentially grow their wealth, even with limited financial knowledge. Key features appear to include automated roundups from your spending, different investment options, and insights into your spending habits. Their website provides details on their various plans and features. Plum emphasizes the ease of use of their app and its automated nature, making saving and investing effortless. They boast about their security measures and transparent pricing, with no hidden fees. They also highlight the different investment options available, catering to different risk appetites. Availability is for UK residents, and you can likely check eligibility on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Plum Savings and Investment app. Getting started was surprisingly simple. I connected my bank account through open banking, which was quick and secure. The initial setup process involved setting a weekly savings goal and choosing an investment fund based on my risk tolerance. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays your current balance, savings progress, and investment performance. I particularly like the Roundups feature, which automatically rounds up my purchases and invests the spare change. For example, a £2.80 coffee would result in 20p being saved. I also explored the different investment funds available, finding a mix of options to suit my preferences. The performance has been reasonable, although it's still early days for me to give a definitive verdict. I did have a quick question about changing my deposit schedule, and their support responded within a day via email, which I appreciated. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track my progress. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated roundups. It's a painless way to save without even thinking about it. One minor drawback was that some of the more advanced investment features weren't immediately obvious, and I had to do a little digging in the app to find them. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Plum Savings and Investment app. It offers a convenient and relatively simple way to start saving and investing, even if you're a beginner. That's my overview of Plum Savings and Investment app, my UK automated finance experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.